Today is another home recipe. This is Rava Dosa. We generally get to eat the instant Rava Dosa. This is little more, but faster in making. Welcome to SBL Kitchen. I'm Mukta Nagaraj showing you Rava Dosa. In a bigger bowl, I'm taking in a cup of fine Sooji. To that, I'm adding the rice flour. To this, I'm going to add in the sour curds. If the curd is very sour, then you can add a bit of water. Otherwise, just the sour curds will do. For this, I'm going to add in salt to the taste. Mix this and allow it to rest for 6 to 8 hours. This, I have the ready batter with me. For this, I'm going to do a seasoning. I'm going to add in some oil. Now the oil is hot. I'm going to add in some mustard seeds. Some jeera. Chopped red chillies. Some peppercorn, coarsely grounded, and few curry leaves. This seasoning I'm going to add into the dosa batter. I'm going to add the finely chopped coriander. To this, I'm going to add a little bit of soda and give it a nice mix. Our dosa batter is ready to make dosas. I'm going to heat the dosa pan. When the pan is hot, just check it up by smearing some water and wipe it off with a dry cloth. Ensure there's no oil and you can make the crispy dosa. And now you can put oil on top. And close the lid. You can flip the dosa. This process is required of smearing the water and wiping off with a dry cloth so that when you make the dosa, it doesn't stick to the ladle. For more home food recipes, subscribe to SBL Kitchen. This dosas can be served with some coconut chutney and sambar.